Welcome back. I'm going to go to the last part of this multi-authentication, whereby I'm going to create a load, and the load that I'm going to create, whereby I'm going to create not a load, I'm going to create a middleware. And what is a middleware? Middleware actually acts like a police, or let's say like a watchman. Watchman in the gate. When you go in a new place, you are required to know where you're going. So the watchman will direct you where to go. So this middleware will going to be protecting. Okay, the watchman protects the gate, and he will also tell you where to go. If it is the first time that you're visiting the place, he is going to tell you where to go. So we are going first of all to create a middleware. We are going to create a middleware known as LOL. So let's create a middleware. We'll use our normal PHP artisan. For the purpose of speed, let me use this one. PHP artisan make. In this case, we are going to create a middleware like that, and we'll give it a name LOL. And you can see the middleware has been created. So let's go and see it. Let's go and see the middleware very quickly. Here's the middleware here, and this is the middleware. Now this is our middleware. We are going to come here and configure it, add some, customize it according to what we want us to be doing, because we want every time that the user try to access enter his username and password, he will be directed to only his own area. He will not be able to access either the admin or the user. If I'm talking of the member will not be able to access the area of admin, and he will also not be able to access the area of a user. And if it is an admin, the admin is also not allowed to access the area of member or the area of users. So we are going to we are coming back here to customize. The first thing that you're going to create right now is, first of all, to register the we're going to register the middleware in our kernel. Here you're going to come down here, and you're going to register our middleware there. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to give it a name, LOL, but the name of our middleware is capital L, LOL, like that. And we have registered it. We have registered the middleware in our kernel. So from there, we can go and configure. Our middleware, which is known as LOL. So it is passing a variable. Known as, when the request is entered, we are going to pass a variable known as LOL, like that. And you're going to say, if the request is not equals to LOL, then it is going to direct us. Can decide any place that you want us to direct us, but for our case here, it will be directing us to the normal dashboard of a user. So in any case, if he is not an admin or he is not a member, automatically we are going to be directed to the dashboard. So let's use if function request. This request, I'm going to copy it, equals user function, and the user function is equals to LOL. the role is not equals to, the role is not equals to the role that has been passed. If it is not among the roles that has been passed, remember you're talking of this role that has been passed. If it is not that role, definitely it is going to take us. It is going to take us. It is going to take us or return redirect to the dashboard. Return. So it is going to take us to the dashboard. Return redirect. Redirect. Return redirect to our normal dashboard. That's the dashboard of a common user. A common user. Like that, and then I will terminate like that, and we are done, with that. So the next thing is we are going to configure our routes, our rings. The first thing that you're going to do is to create a route, like that. Middleware, middleware, like that. The first thing is that it is going to check the middleware. It's going to check, as I said about the get, you are supposed first of all to be authenticated. You're supposed first of all to log in. And when you log in, it will check the role. So here I have created an array. Of one of them is for authentication. The other one is for the role. Remember, we have created our middleware known as role. This role, if the role is admin, then the admin can be able to access his area. Now, in this one, we are going to create a group. We are going to create a group of allowed so that this group will be containing all the rings for the admin that he will be able to access the group, like that. Group function.